GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. For proper installation or programming instructions, contact your nearest GM dealer or ACDelco Service Center. ACDelco GM Original Equipment Power Window Motor and Regulator Assembly is a GM recommended replacement component for one or more of the following vehicle systems: cooling, HVAC, body electrical and lighting, and/or wiper and washer. This original equipment assembly will provide the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit for 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500. Driver side door window stopped working and after doing some digging found that a plastic piece broke off the regulator. Unfortunately cannot just buy this plastic piece, have to buy the whole assembly. Little tricky to install but following the old YouTube we got it done. Works great.